What is up, beautiful people? I'm back. I know you missed me. But anyway, so I'm not even going to go into why I've been gone for forever because just my life. I work 2 jobs. So we're just going to go and skip all of that, explanation, and we're going to get into this video. So, hello, first off. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Devin, and I am a very non-consistent YouTuber. If you are not new, then you already know this. But anyway, so today's video, now I remember I made me with my blonde locks, and I told you locks. Sorry, yeah, I'm sick, so like certain words sound disgusting. I sound disgusting. Yeah. So anyway, when I did my blonde locks, like little, I don't even know, was it a review or just like a show y'all what I do? And I told you I was gonna make a lock video. I actually made the video, but I think I just made it too complicated. Like it was like 10 parts. Honestly, I guess because those were me transforming like basic 18 locks into 40-inch goddess locks. So it was a lot. And I just didn't know, like I edited it and I just didn't like it. I might re-edit it and upload it. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna upload this one. So I just got some new locks. Oh my god, the locks are called Nu Locs. Wow, that's crazy. Anyway, so I just literally got home right now from work, and this is outside my door, so we're gonna open it inside. I do know what the hair looks like. I've seen it in these swag stores. However, the colors that I got, I have not seen. So I'm going dark for fall, no more blonde. I mean, they're right here. See, these are the ones that I normally have been wearing ever since like March. These super long, well, this is a new batch, but you know what I'm saying? Like this color, a T27 into a 613, which is like my favorite. This is like my go-to color. But we're going darker. And, ooh, I see a color. So I did a color number 4, which is, if you don't know weave color, it is a chocolate or like a dark brown. That sort of best matches my, oh, and I went shorter too. So the brand is from Bobbi Boss, you know, a boss, Bobbi Boss, and they're called Nu Locs. Let me just take it out of the shiny ass thing. Oh, struggle. There we go. So I'm going shorter and darker, and there's another color in here. There's 2. Okay, so this is the color number 4. Oh, what? Whoa, hold on. I just got a whole little coil that came out. These are soft. Now I've seen people dip these in like hot water just so they're not so crinkly. I might do the same, maybe. But as you can see, I know it's kind of hard to tell y'all. Y'all know the struggle. And if you don't, well, welcome. But it's a brown color, and it's basically my hair color, as we can see. My hair color, and they only come to right here. So this is gonna be crazy because I've gotten so used to those blonde ones, and they come down to almost my knees. I'll insert a picture or so. We're going back short. So like I said, I might straighten these out, so they might come like right here, but that's still short compared to my knees, you know? So yeah, so I got this color. So I got 2 packs of number 4, which is the brown. And then I sort of went back to my old roots. I got me some blue, y'all, for fall, but not just like any kind of blue. I got me a dark blue. So on the website, there's 2 different blues. There is the navy blue, and then there is M2/blue. And the pictures weren't really doing them justice, so I just got both. And just in case if I liked one more, I would return the other pack. And apparently you can't return online orders to the same place that you ordered the hair from. Like, who does that? But looking at them in person, I think I might just mix and match. I'm over here rhyming like, what do I think? Oh, this is so cute. Ooh, I never uploaded this video, but I think a year or two ago, I wanted my hair, like my hair was like a little blondish ombre, the normal. And I put like a navy blue on top because I wanted my hair navy blue for fall. And it turned jet black. I was so mad. So this is the, what is this? So this is the navy blue. Y'all, look at this color. Oh my gosh. This is the color that I wanted my hair to be. And then the ends are like cute little blue coils. Y'all, this is cute. Now honestly, I'm gonna just do like highlights of these, but so this is the navy blue and this is the M2 blue, which I guess is like a dark brown mixed with the blue, so it's not like so bright. Yeah, this is definitely a toned down version. So I think I might just use both. I'm trying to like, there we go. Can you see it better? So this is like a blue black almost in a way. And then this is just straight up blue. So I'm gonna hold them next to each other. You can definitely see the difference. Yes. And then I'm gonna have, where my weave go? Oh. And then with my brown. Oh, you can definitely see. Oh, that's cute. Now I didn't do, cause number 4 is the darkest I ever do my hair. Just because I don't really like dark hair on me, and I know some people might think, well, the blue would have went better with like a 1B, like a black or a black. But I just don't really like super dark hair on me. So sort of look like this in a way. Do I do brown and blue? Brown and this blue? I don't know what to do yet. Y'all tell me out. Y'all help me out. Should I do... I'm struggling, y'all. Y'all know I'm struggling. I low-key do want some short dreads. Like, I really want like a bob length. Like, literally like this. Maybe like a little longer. Like, literally this is how I want the length of, because I just want to try some short. But, alright, so do I mix it with this color? This color? Or do I just keep them brown? Because I wanted to get these other locks. They're called bow locks. And I'm still going to get those eventually. Those are so cute. And there's this color called caramel. I'll insert a picture, but it's like brown, orangey, reddish like hints. And y'all know I don't really do red, but that is an exception because she's cute. These are soft. And see, I actually like this color number 4 because normally a color number 4 in synthetic hair looks like basically black. Color number 4 in like human hair extensions looks this color, and this is always a color that I always want, but I can't ever get it because color number 4 is in regular hair, synthetic hair looks black, and I'm just like, why do this to me? So I don't know. I'm gonna let y'all know how it go. Like I said, again, the brand is Bobbi Boss. You gotta say it like that, Bobbi Boss. Nu Locs. Come on, honey. There we go. And I got 2 number 4s, color number navy blue, not a number, and a color 2M blue/blue. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Like I said, please stick around. I know I've been MIA, and y'all probably tired of me saying this, and I always come back and say it again. But, you know, we're gonna skip past that. But so just like, subscribe. That's the most important thing. You gotta hit that. Or, you know, like every single YouTuber, smash that subscribe button. You know? Don't they say that? I can't even say they don't say that. You know they do. But yeah, so subscribe, comment, see what you want to see. See if I should do, let me know if I should do the brown and the blue or the brown and like a reddish color. Because, you know, I don't really do red. I colored my hair red years ago. Didn't like it. But I'm an adult now. I'm a different person. And yeah, that's about it. So I will be back once I install these. And then I'll show you guys the final result. Also, no, before though, let me know in the comments because I really don't know if I should do blue or red. So let me know. Peace in the Middle East, and I'm gonna drop my next video. Hopefully in a few days, actually. I'm just trying to, you know, be a new me. I'm trying to upload. I'm trying to just expand, you know? need a new filming. Okay, I'm talking. Okay, gotta go.